In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an e-signature in a website. We're going to use a simple, reliable approach built with Google Forms. This method lets visitors type their full name as an electronic signature, agree to your terms, and submit instantly. No extra plugins or accounts for your audience. It's quick to set up and works across most website builders. First, create a new Google form. Give it a clear title that reflects what people are signing and add the fields you need. Include full name so you know who's signing and email so you can contact them or send confirmations. Add a consent checkbox with explicit language, such as acknowledging the terms or confirming that the person is authorized to sign. Finally, add a question labeled, "Type your full name as your e-signature." Make these fields required so nothing important gets skipped. If you want consistency, use response validation on the signature field to require a minimum number of characters. You can also add a brief description beneath questions to explain what each field is for and how the typed name will be treated as an e-signature. Next, get the embed code from Google Forms. In the form editor, click Send at the top right. In the dialog that appears, switch to the Embed tab, which looks like a less than greater than icon. Google will generate an iframe for you. You can adjust the width and height here to better fit your page layout. Wider forms are easier to complete on desktop, while taller forms reduce scrolling. When you're happy with the size, copy the iframe code to your clipboard. This code places your live form directly on your site, so people can complete and submit without leaving your page. Now paste the embed code into your website. In WordPress, add a custom HTML block to the page and paste the iframe. In Wix, use the embed element, then choose custom embed and paste it there. In Squarespace, add a code block and paste the iframe. If you're editing a plain HTML file, paste the code where you want the form to appear. Save or publish your page, then preview it to confirm the form loads properly and that it's usable on mobile. If the frame looks cramped, return to the embed settings to adjust the height or set the width to fit your theme. That's it. Visitors can fill in their name, email, consent, and typed e-signature, then submit instantly. You'll find all responses in your Forms Responses tab, ready to review or export when you need them.